Black pepper and olive oil make for a powerful cancer-fighting drink. Turmeric, black pepper, and olive oil make for a powerful cancer-fighting drink. Mix these three ingredients for a powerful cancer-fighting combination. Turmeric and cancer. This Indian spice could have saved your life. May your medicine be your food and your food be your medicine. This famous phrase was said by Hippocrates, the father of medicine, who was considered one of the leading doctors of this time. Nowadays, we know that the foods we eat are important for our health thanks to the popular medicine that has been passed down through generations and also scientific research. One of them is turmeric, a plant originally from Asia that was used in traditional Indonesian and Chinese medicine to treat several diseases, including cancer. In fact, in India, less people have cancer than in the United States, even though they are exposed to more carcinogenic substances. Today, over 2,000 published studies tell us about this plant's amazing benefits when it comes to cancer treatment and prevention. The study shows that curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric, keeps cancer cells from growing and prevents several different types of cancers, such as breast, lung, stomach, liver, and colon. Unlike the drugs normally used in chemotherapy, such as tamoxifen, turmeric can distinguish cancer cells from healthy cells while activating programmed cellular death, apoptosis of the cancer cell, without any side effects. Furthermore, curcumin, when combined with the chemotherapy drugs, makes them more effective. After hearing about all of turmeric's benefits, you may be asking yourself how to consume it. So today we are going to teach you a recipe that was suggested by Dr. Carolyn Anderson, a Canadian doctor who studied the effects of turmeric extensively. After finding out that her mother had one of the most severe cases of cancer ever known. According to her, when we ingest turmeric in capsules or by itself, our body does not absorb it. So it's better to combine it with other ingredients. One of these other ingredients is black pepper, which should be diluted in olive oil. When these two ingredients are combined with turmeric, its absorption increases by 2000%. The doctor suggests that you do the following. Mix 4th teaspoon of turmeric powder with half teaspoon of olive oil and a generous pinch of black pepper. Add this to soups, salads, dressings, vegetables, etc. As for how often to consume it, it seems that the recommendation is as often